Juma, good morning. Omuntu muligererio Kisii TV ngakikwabokire karibu sana somorobere bwenyoni emambi ya rero karibu sana asokunyara gusangana encho John Kwamboka Nelson Gichana tanyarite gwikirana emambi ya rero sengencho yesababu gose bitango bitaringe kunyara gutangika korende notore nayo omuntu muligererio emambi ya rero gwika chinsa isato chiamambia. Good morning ngakikwabokire karibu sana ase omoroberio bwenyoni this beautiful morning namange sana of course nkwarega ndete yitwa chikunyara gusanga subwamo ndachikunyara gusanga ebirengererio ane mono tobokire mambia rero tutabwati omokonyi umurai bwense ya Kenya. They impeached a sick person nero trend bikira se mitandao au gogotara ase chinsemo au chemitandao kero muntu nabwate kya kunyara gokwanira emambi ya rero including in John Kwamboka nanjye nimbwatabera tato ayundaga ninga tunyare ko yakwanira emambi ya rero korende ayo mwancho muligererio Kisii TV ngakikwabokire karibu sana aso kunyara gusanga na inche emambi ya rero of course nonde nae weka chinse sato chia mambi 0768 719 470 nere namba yesimi ye studio abo kunyara kungakire simi gusonyare gontomera SMS ase number yo 0768790470 abo kunyara gontomera gose ujumbe nainde asensemo ya live gari Facebook astotoka buna Kisii TV tobate Instagram TikTok amona X account buna Kisii TV tobate website ya www.kisitv.co.ke. Good morning, I love you my beautiful people. Thank you so much aso kunyara ko yuancho morobiro bwenyo. And of course, emambi ya rero wetani siasa ntobwata ba onchoreri au usabanya biasara au barabasaya barachikonyara guchaka igase studio guchikonyara kwegwo bomanye au anene mono igoro yo obokoreri gwechi computer korwa edu computers ritangasa mwaberimo kunyara kolirora asembeo. So karibu sana so kunyara gusangana inche emambi ya rero tumachi ujumbe cheino eritunyara ko batogusanga asobwa mbaringa babete bakonyara konyore credit ya teke mulipata credit and of course tariki 15 sato chia rero 18th of October. Today is the day aborokubekirasi komi na kabere bonsi pimi singima ya Kenya bagochaka rehearsals chia. We are going to wish those beautiful angels success despite alia amakungu babere bakonyara gwetera kuro mwako chagete. How are you this beautiful morning? Karibu sana asomorobere bwenyoni. Of course, bado libererandira se county ya Nyamira ntochikunyara kulikwanira what is not happening in Mea County ya Nyamira. In fact, director atogochaka kurwa se county ya Nyamira ikera unyamugiri yoneka kuchikunyara wikira na chinse 12 chienusu tuchikunyara gukwanira igori ya impeachment motion ya Rigathi Gachagua. Yesterday was too much, not just yesterday, the last 3 weeks. The last 3 weeks has been too much kwa chaso mwananchi okawaida. Why? Abempi bakateba basangere iri 291 signatures chokunyara kumurusia bise Rigathi Gachagua. Wiki kubwatia the tension was all over. Abantu bakagani muraibu ensanyare gwesoke anyare gukwanira about the same. The following week, bakagenda se assembly, bagake kura, and they announced officially wetera se omo akorokunga wetera asomo nogeribwe bunge yo akorokunga Moses Wetangula nga the deputy president Rigathi Gachagua has been impeached, and it stood that he has been impeached. 2 days later, no, 1 day later. In fact, they impeached him Satatu on Tuesday. On Wednesday morning, Senator Amason Kingi called for an impromptu sitting to impeach the deputy president. That is the following week. Litikulia misi tugatwara a holiday, mazingira day. Litikulia Juma bakaira nerere bikaro byabo. Bakatebanga they are going to listen on Monday ewikeye bagategerera ekia Eric Mutai. He survived the impeachment because AMCA they couldn't meet the threshold. On Tuesday bagatimoka On Wednesday, they resumed the sittings. Bakategerera ritko rigima the defense side ya Rigathi Gachagua bayasoke bakegerera. Okay, we followed mpaka chinsa chiabo tuko kigima. On Thursday morning tukaboka tukachaka nende kubwatirira renge ritko rya igoro. Now gwekera chinsa sana isato nenusu Rigathi Gachagua ni gatakire kuimukerera igoro so that it could take the stand to defend himself. Naende abe cross-examined n'aba wakili kurwa sensemo ya National Assembly bakorawa na James Sorengo oyurumu senator oyurumu governor we county ya Siaya okia na Otiende Amolo no alenge gali asetimu eyo egati ya banda bange korende Rigathi Gachagua disappeared. It was tension, it was pressure. Bakasuke bikaro wetera somo nogerwe bunge ya Mason Kingi weka chinsa ikomi nemo chamagoroba ekera Mason Kingi abetega koirana Paul Muite oyuromo leading senior counsel ase team ya Rigathi Gachagua agachaga tutebinga orwarire aigwete bobe igarasinya gitari ya Karen agendete konyora okugweniwa aba wakili au bakatebigo batenene ensemo ya Rigathi Gachagua bagasaba give us until Tuesday egera chatenene igabe gakwegerera ekera burwere mboli gochika mboli gochika korende the other side bakateba mbaratu evidence nganya gitari kiare burwere kiarwarite mbanya gitari kino menya gitari ya chatenene igata tebirende Rigathi orwarire egera tumanya nkitogo kora so we have to proceed. Abaseneta bakatebigo Amason Kingi akateba let us postpone it to Saturday. Egere tomwe around 72 hours. Okay, for Thursday, Friday and Saturday 48 hours. Onyebe ngatarabwena. We proceed with the voting. Korende it is a proposal. Inuna umo wake kura. Abaseneta bakateba mutatuona kama venye munataka. We are going to proceed without Rigathi Gachagua who is sick at Karen Hospital. Aba kwerende bagesoki galia aba wakili bagaikaga Rigathi Gachagua bagateba nga kimwamwire ko ukumwa murwaire we can't do anything ntu twachiri inugendra nebikaro byaino baseneta bagachaka go discuss the motion bagakora wekera chinsa inyene nusu chabutko bakaimokerera igoro guchaka gwake kura charge by charge. 1 out of 11. But only one was needed to impeach the president. Narimo cholitangani the moment liabege tugorali 53 senators voted yes. And the deputy president was impeached. Bakagendera wake kura elimo aselimo. Goika eri kominalimo egaikiranga abaseneta mba mwangama mochata naro mpaka muireka. Those were the yes that he has to go home, but the 6 of them they were like they weren't worth him going home. Those are some of the questions I would like to ask. Onye neri muriyo karierenge kumuiraka inki kiarenga kogera bake onsi kominemo na onye atanomo aingeira yega tano inki bada gucheraka. Now is it allowed in the constitution ngambanyare ko Russia bisi omonto orwarete otaratere nabe ga kwegerera ekera burwere mburi gochika. But to the Kenyans this beautiful morning, my question and my worry in Chebuna Joan Kwamboka, the former deputy president Rigathi Gachagua oyono muntu twametenga nkwa na chia ngengi ya kurwekere campaign ya target. Let us all be honest, enga kia campaign arenge kura mababu Uhuru Kenyatta mpaka bararanse. This is the person that we stood very early in the morning tokamwakere kura. This is the person from the point when he was being sworn in. He couldn't even say the words clearly. He had to repeat the oath of office. This is the person we knew who was going to be our deputy president for the next 5 years. We knew And the sympathy votes is what brought Kenyans here. Kila muntu akolera oh, the Adani deal is killing us. Sijui nini, madeni natumaliza. The taxes, bei ya mafuta. Yes, leasing of blah, 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 blah. Na finance bill. That is what brought us here. Then, why are people feeling sympathy? I remember the first two weeks, the first 1 year, the deputy president could intimidate Kenyans, the shareholding stuff and everything. Mpaka people were like, is this the person we're going to stay with for the next 5 years? Is this the person for the next 5 years? Everywhere it was, hey, Regijia tatupeleka moto. We were scared that if this is the government that we're going to have for the next 5 years, then we are done. Why are we scared at the moment? That now he has been impeached. Is it the sympathy that is revolving around it? Is it Kenyans who want both of them to go home? Or it is just the, I don't know. Ningari mawakili nyari guchaga igase studio mambia rero. Elitobe toko nyara gusanga asobwamo. Mambia rero. Mubuli maswali ya yonsi. Karibu sana Enyoni Juma. So sad nga lazima paka Enyoni ekera kiriko gusuye mebere tonyare ko yunga tonyare go tenga lazima tukwanere siasa. But as it stands, the former deputy president Rigathi Gachagua stands impeached. Na litkolya rero ababunge be National Assembly ngochi bari gutwarege ikaro litkolya rero an impromptu sitting for Friday. Abua said they are expecting to receive the name of the next deputy president. Banyare wake kura, and as per tomorrow morning, we will be having a new deputy president for Mashujaa Day that will be on Sunday and Monday. Iyo gochikunyara gokorekana chinsemo chia kwale. Kuri naro chava bunge au. Bali babere chinsemo bakumwegera Rigathi Gachagua. Bakolera sana. Eh? They really cried. I'm going to look for the clips right now. Is this the Kenya we want? Is this the Kenya we are building? Is this the Kenya that Mashujaa Day? Kenya. Huh? Wow. 0768 719 470. Is it okay for Reggie to really go home? We are going to the courts. But remember, they are going back to the same courts that cancelled all the 26 cases. Wow. Is it really the reality that the deputy president is gone home? Is it? Is it tuanze kuzoea a new deputy president? Twende baka samagacho yes Senate. Tukura tegera roboti oromo. Ruo Senate, they have decided to impeach the deputy president. Egero mageni oneka gutukunyara gwikira nase studio mambia rero. Okay. So director okombekero roboti Kingi Senate revolts to remove office from office by impeachment the deputy president na rugo chaka turaro tegerera. Mageni oneka gocha. We are going to have all these questions this morning. Chujumbe chino ninchiroche nchigendera tegwite kagari kegima nchikunyara kuchisoma se kagetari getambe. I love you, my beautiful people. John Komboka is my beautiful name. Director Zaki Kenya, Nero Rasinsemo in the studio. Tuende baka samaga chwe Senate.
Now, honorable senators, the result of the division indicate that the Senate has upheld the following impeachment grounds. 1. Gross violation of Articles 10(2)(a), B, and C, 27(4), 73(1)(a), and 2B, 75(1)(c), and 129(2) of the Constitution, and Article 147(1), as read together with Article 131(2)(c) and D of the Constitution. 4. Gross violation, ground number 4. Gross violation of Article 161 of the Constitution on the institutional and decisional independence of judges. Ground number 5. Gross violation of Articles 3(1) and 148(5)(a) of the Constitution and the fidelity to the oath of office and allegiance. Ground number 6, serious reasons to believe that His Excellency the Deputy President has committed crimes under Sections 13(1)(a) and 62 of the National Cohesion and Integration Act. Ground number 9, gross misconduct that is incompatible with the high calling and dignified status of the office of the Deputy President and a member of the Cabinet and the National Security Council. His Excellency the Deputy President has publicly attacked and undermined work of the National Security Intelligence Service and its officers. Now, honorable senators, pursuant to Article 145(7) and 151(b) and 2 of the Constitution and Standing Order 78(8) of the Senate has resolved to remove from office by impeachment His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, AGH, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Accordingly, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, AGH, ceases to hold office. Thank you.